Hello viewers, a question I get asked an awful lot due to my background in Renko charting is what is the best charting package out there for Renko charts to get me going? Well, there isn't a straightforward answer to that because it depends on what you're trying to achieve. So there are, as you'll see, many charting packages to pick from. But what one really is there for you? Now, this video is a start of a chain of videos where I'm going to review different packages out there, give my thoughts, recommendations to you around them, and that, you know, we'll be looking at stuff like cost, usability, accessibility. You know, can you take the charts, the Renko charts, make them your own? Can you API into data with them to pull back and build strategies? Can you create alerts and automate your Renko charting? Can you use tick data, or, as we've seen more and more commonly these days, you know, time frame data on the Renko charts? There's a lot out there to consider when picking a charting package. Now, I've got a list of 16 out there that are available to everyone with a different budget and a different scope to what they're trying to achieve. And like I said, I'm going to go and quickly review those 16, not in this video, but over a series of videos, and we're going to put together a final video where, you know, I put the scores. I'm going to score every one of those and let you know the pros and cons and why you should and shouldn't use them together at the end of that. And I'm going to get rid of those videos very quickly over the next few weeks, months, so you can quickly action on those. So I recommend you wait till the end before you go ahead and get any software package. Also, in this video, I'm going to take a quick look at the two that I currently use. I use them for different reasons, not to say they're the best out there or would suit your trading needs, but they are what suits mine currently. So we'll have a quick look at those. Like I said, go through that 16 short list, and before we even get to the reviews, you can actually go and check them out yourselves, dig into them, do your own research. And also as well, please do let me know in the comments below the video, what packages you've come across. Why do you like them, dislike them? Why do you think they're good? Why do you think they're bad? Share that knowledge with us. Love to hear from you and see what you think is good and bad in the Renko world. All help us on the channel. So with all that as an intro, let's take a first look at the 16 that are out there that I think are worth following up in a bit more detail. So here they are then. Here's the 16, starting from the top there. Tradingview, very popular these days, probably one of the fastest growing charting packages on the planet. Then we got a couple of expensive options, but are very good, used primarily in the professional world, Bloomberg and CQG. Then we've got Chart IQ, stock charts, eSignal, Tradetron, who are, I think, sort of more like an automation, sort of systematizing strategy type bit of kit. MT4, MT5, also very popular, but as if you've got experience with those, they are quite hard to use Renko charts with. So I'm going to explore that a bit further. There are some brokers as well that now are getting into Renko and offer it through their own MT4, MT5 platforms. Then we have another couple very popular in combination often with brokers out there like C Trader and Pro Real Time. Then we've got Ninja Trader, JForex, multi-charts, and finally something I call DIY, which basically means do it yourself, and that means building your own programmable Renko charting platform. And that one's not so much a review that we're going to look at, but I'm going to give you, do a few more videos around how you can go about, maybe using Python to build your own Renko chart platforms, as well as how you can API into data to achieve that overall goal and build your own strategies around that. So that's all like a subset of videos I'm going to do around this review, but that's the 16. You'll probably be familiar with some of the names on there anyway. They fit into all different sort of budgets, different pockets that you've got to spend on your trading endeavors, and a lot of them do very different things, and they are, well, from my experience of them, don't all do the same. They offer slightly different angles into what you want to achieve, whether you're going full automation, just want to see the Renko charts maybe as a trend filter or just as a bit of information. They cover so many different angles, different markets, different platforms, like I said, different budgets. So it's going to be really interesting going through the 16 to show you what works and what doesn't, whether you're a complete beginner to Renko charts, what can you start with, or whether you're an advanced trader, really want to take up your game, take these Renko charts maybe into the world of scalping, high frequency, we'll call it medium frequency, high frequency world of trading, which is possible, but then you're going to need a different angle in to, say, like the beginner just wanting to get started in the world of Renko trading. So like I said, really excited to get into the 16 over the next few weeks and months and give you the feedback on what I think is worth your time and what's not, and why you should and shouldn't be using them. So like I said, that's the list. Let's now just take a quick look at the two I currently use from the 16. Unsurprisingly, and you probably knew already, that I use Tradingview as one of my Renko charting software packages. For me, it's very good for doing the videos with on the YouTube channel, but I also do use it to trade as well. Not going to go into too much detail about Tradingview here, because we're going to do the full review on it. Just to let you know some of the functionality, I think it's really good for alerts, flexibility on creating strategies. You can use it with the Pine language as well. Where it falls down, maybe you can't export data out of it very easily. Cost wise as well, very good. Quick look there, I use a premium version, which in the UK is $49.95 a month, but you can use Renko charts on the plus version there at about £25 a month. Also like the charts because you can do a lot with it. You can add in indicators, create your own. Yeah, it's good fun for me in my world and my situation. But like I said, it might not be the best for you, and that's why we're going to do all these reviews. So that's Tradingview. And secondly, if you've been a keen watcher of the channel, you'll probably know the answer to the second one I use. It's that DIY bit, the last one on the list of 16. I've built my own custom web-based trading platform for Renko charting. Why? Because I can do so many more other things with it. Unfortunately, this one's not for sale or available to the general public. It's all for my own personal use. So the other 15 from the list will be more important. But if you are interested in learning more about this trading platform for Renko charting, I've already done a video on it on the channel, and that's coming up on your screen right now. I'll put the link as well at the end of this video to that video, so you can follow up if you want to learn more about maybe starting your own platform. Maybe you're a skilled programmer who can do that. For me, it creates so many options that I can play around with. I can create my own world of Renko, break the rules, create new rules, ideas, strategies. It gives me a lot of flexibility. I can get into data, export it, do the whole lot. took a long time to build and develop, and it's been very useful for me. So for me at the moment, it's Tradingview and my own DIY platform. They serve me very well, but I have used others on that list as well, which also I think are very good and very usable for many reasons, and we're going to find out about those over the coming weeks and months. Like I said earlier, if I've missed any software package that you use that's not on that list of 16, please do let me know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Would like to take a look myself. Let me know what's good and bad about it, and I'll dig in and maybe add that to the review list as well. And also, if you're new to Renko chart trading, which you might well be if you're looking at this sort of video on what charting package software to use, then before you even do all of that, got another playlist on the YouTube channel. It's basically going to take you from beginner to hero level using the Renko charts. You start at the top of the playlist, work your way through. Like I say, it covers everything you will need to know, and also other content on the channel as well out there that's going to support that and make you grow as a trader and investor. And I'll put a link to that playlist that you can see in the screen up there now at the end of this video, and you can click through and get started into the world of Renko trading. Like I said, it covers everything, strategy design, all the rules of the Renko, how you can develop and build out Renko into your world. So obviously you're going to need to subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to get notification of all the reviews and other content that I'm producing in the channel that's coming your way. So please do hit that, and if you've liked today's video, please also give us the thumbs up. And those two playlists that I mentioned, or videos, sorry, and playlist, the playlist about the Renko chart course on the channel, and the earlier videos that we saw, coming up now.